Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL K13 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. First let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back, and now let's select gift card. Similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.